Alright, now let's get on to this. I feel that this bell here, this is a very heavy, thick wall bell. And I feel this bell just on its own should command a couple of $100. Just on its own. And even without this really cool striker. But what I've done, I've got a few extra thingies. Usually when there's a purchase of something similar, Buddhisty stuff, I usually go over to my stash over there and collect a few things, and I figure, oh, what the hey, I might as well include a few extra stuff. This here is a really deal antique wood lacquered box which contains this Itoki Fume something like that. Beautiful. Look at all this stuff. Isn't this really cool? Look how old this book is. See, I'm including this. So that situates in that beautiful box there. Included, thrown in this nice candlestick here, and this incense burner. And generally they put this sand type of stuff in there, and then they plonk the speaking of incense in there. And this here is the real deal. This is the best stuff you can get. Yep, that's good stuff. And so my portions are ever decreasing, but that's good stuff. And I found this little dealie right here. This is so cute. Someone's handmade this. Now, it doesn't weigh much at all, and so as far as the weight category is concerned, I was doing something there, you'll find that it doesn't affect the actual outcome of difference in weight, in freight cost. So I figure I'd include him. Now, I'm going to sea freight this stuff in order to get yourself the cheapest freight costs, but that takes a very long time, 6 weeks to 3 months. I was considering sell economy air and just selling this on its own, but I figured, you know, it's what I do, and people would definitely enjoy this stuff here. And I just figured this is so cute. Someone's gone ahead and knocked this out. So, that's just cool. So you see things like that at Buddhist temples, and I've actually seen behind this temple. Actually, that was a shrine, wasn't it? Very similar things. It was all made out of stone, and down here is like stone pin and stone pin, real huge things. And these, I didn't touch them at all, but these doors would be able to swing. You know, these stone doors, and you know, they had like diameter of like that in stone that is as these hinges. It was really amazing stuff. There's like a whole line of them. Anyways, I guess you want me to get this thingy here and go like this, huh? Isn't it good? Still going. It'll just keep going. Hang on. It's just might go do something else and come back later and this bell just keeps going. Yeah. So there you are. Definitely worth what I'm asking for. It's just great. You know, I really like this. If you don't buy it, good. Not sure if it comes out on the camera there, but it's got this really delightful. I'm using these a bit thicker here in these sections. Right then, okay, my battery power will probably run out by the time this thing sounds in. So there you go, great compilation, Sea Freight.